Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Guide. You can make extra cash to watch videos in your free time from almost anywhere. It's possible to make this a side hustle and make money from your home or visiting public places. If you have a smartphone, you can also make money on the go as well. The flexibility of how you can earn money watching videos and movies is what makes this a fun and creative opportunity for anybody. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make an instant $300 a day watching videos. Make sure you stay to the end, as you don't want to miss how to really start collecting a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 13, Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars actually allows you to get paid to watch videos on a daily basis. As one of the leading swag bucks alternatives, you will also make money completing surveys, playing online games, performing web searches, and signing up for promotional offers. You'll get paid for opening sponsored emails sent from Inbox Dollars. You might also like the swag bucks alternative because you can choose a cash payment and earn your first $5 for signing up. So far, Inbox Dollars members have earned over $400 million in rewards. Number 12, National Consumer Panel. National Consumer Panel is a joint venture between Nielsen and IRI that tracks people's opinions on a variety of subjects. While NCP is primarily focused on tracking your shopping habits by scanning of products you purchase, they also provide video surveys to collect your opinion for advertising campaigns and product spots. To get started with NCP, you'll need to have an Apple or Android device. If you don't have a compatible smartphone, National Consumer Panel will also send you a barcode scanner. The panel is about downloading an app free of charge. With the app, you'll scan the barcodes of the products you buy and receive points. The points can be redeemed for Nielsen gift card catalog and gift cards. You'll also be entered in cash sweepstakes and surveys to earn more rewards. The longer you'll stay, the most you'll earn. Number 11, Nielsen Digital Voice. As many households are cutting the cable TV cord and streaming TV shows and videos online, the methods used to measure TV viewing habits have changed. Nielsen Digital Voice gives you the opportunity to tell the world what you watch on your computer or mobile device by downloading the Nielsen app. In addition to being able to get paid to watch videos, you will also get rewarded for your additional web activity. You will get rewards and also be able to enter the monthly cash prize drawings. Nielsen gives away at least $10,000 each month, and over 400 members win smaller cash prizes. It's also possible to earn additional rewards for participating in surveys. Number 10, watch Netflix. As the most popular subscription video streaming service, Netflix periodically hires taggers to watch and tag their programming to provide accurate recommendations to fellow subscribers. You can see all open positions on the Netflix job board. Tagger positions are not the most financially lucrative and can require long hours, but if you love to binge watch content or watch anything Netflix has to offer, this can be a great opportunity. Number 9, Viggle. Viggle makes it easy to earn money watching your favorite TV shows. All you have to do is tap the app when watching TV or streaming on Netflix, Amazon, or Hulu. You will earn 1 per minute plus any bonuses. Some shows offer a 10 times bonus that allows you to earn 10 points per minute of viewing. To make watching videos fun, Viggle offers in-show games and opportunities to interact with your friends to earn even more points. Viggle will even offer extra points for watching new shows in addition to your current favorites. Viggle works for Android or Apple devices. You can use your points for gift cards, prizes, or cash with a prepaid debit card. Number 8, Quick Rewards. Another site that allows you to make money watching videos and completing other online tasks is Quick Rewards. Many people from the online community prefer Quick Rewards because membership is open to residents of the US, Canada, and the UK. In addition to being able to get paid to watch videos, you can also sign up for additional money-making opportunities, including at least 3 daily surveys, reading emails, and a daily shopping opportunity that allows you to earn at least 25% cash back. You're able to redeem points for cash in your PayPal account and gift cards to your favorite restaurants and stores, including Amazon. Number 7, iRazoo. iRazoo has been in business for over a decade and has paid out over $100 million to members so far. When you watch videos on iRazoo, you'll earn points. You can use your points to get PayPal cash or to get a gift card for popular retailers like Amazon. Note, you can earn extra points on iRazoo by taking surveys, playing games, completing offers, and more. And they've also got a referral program that will earn you points when you refer loved ones to sign up. iRazoo works with Android and iOS devices. Number 6, Nielsen TV Ratings. If you still watch traditional television, you can also make money by becoming a Nielsen family. For decades, Nielsen families have been the primary influence of television show ratings as households track which shows they watch. While this is an exciting opportunity, participants are chosen at random, and there isn't an application process. You will need to watch your mailbox for an invitation. If you are selected, they will pay you for your efforts. Nielsen does invite more families during the sweep season months of February, May, July, and November. Number 5. Cash Kick. The Cash Kick site is slightly different from the other sites that pay you to watch movies or complete surveys. Cash Kick displays its offers in one place. Most of the offers require you to sign up. Cash Kick gets paid to promote products and services, then shares a commission with you. Examples include yoga classes, Hulu, and others. Make sure you read the conditions carefully. Some subscriptions start with a free trial, yet continue into a paid subscription after the trial has ended. Number 4. SlideJoy. If you enjoy interactive ads on your smartphone, give SlideJoy a try. SlideJoy will display an ad when you unlock your phone on the passcode screen. Sliding your thumb right will dismiss the ad, while sliding left will engage the ad and take you to the advertiser's website to interact with the ad. These ads can include watching YouTube videos, browsing the advertiser's website, activating a digital coupon, or earning Google Play credits. To ensure fairness, you earn the same amount if you interact or dismiss the ad. You can also earn points for referring friends and linking your Facebook account. For now, SlideJoy is only available on Apple and Android smartphones. They have plans to make SlideJoy tablet compatible. Number 3. Creations Rewards. Creations Rewards pays you to watch videos and also to shop online, take surveys, explore websites, play games, and refer friends. The earning opportunities are virtually limitless, and you can use your rewards points to get gift cards and PayPal cash. New members can also earn a $5 sign-up bonus. Number 2. Swag Bucks. One of the easiest ways to make money online is with Swag Bucks. You will earn bucks for watching a variety of videos, ranging from world news, sports highlights, and other themed videos. It's even possible to get paid to watch videos that are sponsored. In addition to getting paid to watch videos and movie trailers, you can also make money surfing the web, taking online surveys, and even shopping online. When you are ready to be paid, you can redeem your bucks for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's your choice. Number 1. MyPoints. MyPoints is a sister site to Swag Bucks. The way to earn is exactly the same, but the award options can differ. To earn points, you must complete a watch playlist, the entire playlist, in order to receive the points. Other ways to earn with MyPoints: play video games, take online surveys, read promotional emails, refer a friend, surf the web. Thanks for watching. While you were here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.